Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how I charge my X3 F25's battery. I do this procedure once every several months since we are doing mostly short distance drives. Simply the battery doesn't charge enough over the period of time, so you need to give it a small boost once in a while. I usually charge the battery while doing some maintenance or car repairs. I'm using CTEK Pro 25S to charge my cars. In general, this is a good brand and used by many car manufacturers as shop chargers. This particular unit can charge different types of batteries. Also, I use this thing as a supply when I do some module coding or programming. You can leave the battery in the car, no need to disconnect the terminals. Open the bonnet, the terminals located at the right side of the engine compartment. Open the red cover and connect the charger's red positive terminal. Connect the charger's black negative terminal to the ground point. Switch on the charger and wait until the battery will be fully charged. Thanks for watching.